we are following up on a story we first brought you last week, taking a deeper look into the makeup of code enforcement in the city of Rochester and the progress of the Housing Quality Task Force first introduced this summer. Isabel Garcia joins us in studio now with a handful of updates. Isabel?
Yes, Natalie, I had the opportunity to sit down with the City of Rochester's new and first and only housing attorney, Mike Furlano, who has been tasked with that extra support in the housing system, targeting problematic landlords. Mike Furlano is the City of Rochester's new housing attorney. The position is designed to be a support for code enforcement, a direct result from the city's Housing Quality Task Force. The priority right now is focusing on the worst of the worst when it comes to landlords.
That means a more assertive approach to court and shifting of our priorities to target, repeat offenders, owners that have multiple properties with multiple violations, that show up a pattern of disregard for code enforcement.
His role is in conjunction with the directives from the Housing Quality Task Force to hire more code enforcement officers. So far, the city has hired half of the recommended 8 new positions, as well as a code enforcement trainer, bringing the total employees to 39. Prior to the city having its own representation in housing court, it was simply just not there.
So the challenge the code enforcement officers had is, first of all, they were going into city court alone without a lawyer at their side. So that's not their job to be able to represent in a courtroom.
A lot of times when you have tenants and occupants, if a house is bad enough, they're going to move out, right? And then there goes the case, whereas the city is always going to be there. The city can take the long view. The city can see the patterns and then address the issues, address the more systemic issues.
City officials say the data surrounding irresponsible landlords is readily available, and progress is being made when it comes to bringing forward litigation.
We're there now with the code enforcement officers. We're looking at, and probably will be announcing relatively shortly, some new ways that we're taking legal action against problematic landlords.
And Furlano's background consists of work at the Empire Justice Center and Legal Aid Society representing tenants, something he tells me is essential for his new role with the city to have that lens in approaching cases. Natalie.
Isabel, thank you. The city also tells us if a property is vacant, the responsibility falls on the owner, but there is no requirement to alert the city. Now, if a property is abandoned, meaning owned by someone but not maintained, the owner is still responsible, but that's where the city can step in and ultimately demolish the structure.